Ngayong Biyernes sa Teen Star,
Ngayong araw ay kikilalanin natin ang mga Teen Star guests for this week.
another teen-tastic guest na naman ang ating makakasama sa ating programa.
I didn't really have an interest to singing, but eventually when I went to MKF, that interest grew and I learned a lot of things. And I learned that singing isn't just for contests and stuff. I believe that singing is a life skill. You can use singing in a lot of stuff, and I'm grateful to learn singing.
Isang masayang palarong Pinoy na naman ang ating magaganap sa ating Teen Star Pinoy Fest. Hatawan todo max pa rin ang ating tapatan sa ating hataw mo, show mo! Kaya huwag magpahuli, tumutok na mula Lunes, Miyerkules at Biyernes dito sa inyong programang Ikaw ang Star, ang Teen Star Season 1!